As the sun's coming up, we've stopped at the store. We're trying to find some chicken gizzards. And this time I've got a spare boat underneath the big boat. There's a kayak under there. The boys out here playing some hand golf. We gotta see if we can find them chicken gizzards. First time I've ever bought chicken gizzards. Right here at the gas station, I just filled up both boat motors for a total of 64 cents. That's pretty cool. So the kayak is ready to go, but the pontoon's in the way. We may have to get her off the boat. I guess this ramp's shallower than the other ramps. It is a little bit breezy today. Ignore any wind. If you hear any wind noise, ignore it. And it looks like there's some current out there. Anyway, we got 2 full gas tanks on the boat motors. We got a kayak. We're gonna head up the river, see if we can find a bridge. Do a little magnet fishing, do a little cat fishing, fish fishing. See what happens. 5 pulls and we are running. We are right here, tied up to a stump on the Georgia side, and I gotta get the chicken gizzards ready. This is my first time. Wait a minute, chicken livers. I'm new at this freshwater fishing stuff. I've always been a saltwater guy. Anyway, there's my liver holder. I gotta break that open. And we've also got some chickaroons, barbecue, Chips Ahoy, and some soap to wash the raw chicken lizards off. Livers, not lizards. Take off this emergency seal. Oh, yummy. And if you don't use them all, you can take them home and cook them. No. Supposed to wrap them in pantyhose to keep them falling apart, I think. But I don't have any pantyhose. There you have it. So the boy took the dinghy kayak. He went over to Florida. He's over exploring with bare feet. The boy's gone. I might break open the cookies. These are the chewy chocolate chips. Yum. So I know now not to bring bananas. This time we've got apples left over from last time. A little bit more kayak exploring. No bites yet. Well, I did have some bait missing, so we might have had 2 bites. So I was magnet fishing. On my first round I found a roofing screw. On my second go around I got a big steel K. I don't know how to get the magnet off of it. It's a 1,200 pound magnet. I don't have any tools with me. That's as hard as I can pull and it's not coming off. It looks like this piece of metal is going home with us. And a fishing part. Whatever's coming up out of the water. It's not terribly heavy. It's something like a piece of rebar. Rebar number 2. She's going under the bridge and don't need a paddle.
Can I get this paddle back?
Yeah, hand it backwards.
What is this slimy piece of metal right here?
So when we were by the bridge, I found that holds down a Chevy valve cover, small block. a big bolt, and a piece of metal. The rest of the prizes are back there on the bridge. I may go back and show them to you. It was a K-shaped piece of iron and 2 pieces of rebar. I want to go fish next to that other piling now. Oh, and I got 2 poles out. Catfish are doing nothing. 2 chicken liver poles in the water. Daisy's magnet fishing. She got nothing. And the boy, he's playing hide and seek. Let's see if I can show you. He's under the boat, in the boat. She was doing something like that in episode 3 of the first build, different river. The boy's exploring the bridge. I'm trolling backwards. There's the rebar prizes we found earlier. Nothing terribly great. I'm gonna leave them right there for somebody else to find. In fact, add to the collection. Here we go. I've got something super big this time. It's a workout just to get it up.
That cheese is insane.
It's right there. I can almost taste it. Maybe a chair. It might be a chair or a bed frame. Rebar. We got the rebar. That's when you're building a bridge and you drop the rebar. You say, oh well. All right, guys, let me know if you need some rebar. I know where it's at. I just got an electrical, what's that, what holds pipe? And a nail. And a U-shaped piece of rebar. I should keep that and make an anchor out of it.
That cheese is insane.
I'll think about making an anchor out of it. I think this can go back. Anyway, I think we're about to head back to the boat ramp. I got some work I need to go do. I might better pull the magnet in. It's about to take my putter. About to get a hole in one. Right by that bridge, right about right there, 2 years ago I found a yellow knife in the chunky boat using a magnet. But the magnet was weaker and a whole lot heavier. I think I just found another knife. But it's been down there for a little bit. It might not be a knife, but I'm gonna call it one. You wanna check it out? What do you think? Is it a knife?
I guess so.
She guessed so. It's confirmed. The boys up ahead of us. We're going with the current and with the breeze. That'd be the perfect time to do a speed check. Maybe fire up both motors. Hang on a second. And then the boat ramp is right around this corner. Love shade. Gotta love shade. To be continued.
That cheese is insane.
You gotta load the kayak now.